Hey everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Let's go over the markets. We had a big update today. All right, so let's go over that. The Dow guys was up. Was that 456 points? So big day up on the Dow. Market gapped up this morning. All right, so you guys can see here, gapped up, broke resistance. So really good price action today. So buyers came in heavy today. Uh, S&P was up also. S&P was up, gapped up over 100 points on the S&P. All right, so let's take a look at it here. S&P up right here, gapped up. All right, big candle here today. All right, so buy signal is still here, guys. This is the S&P, so big move in the S&P. NASDAQ was also up. All right, NASDAQ was also up. Right here. All right, gapped up also. Right here. All right, big gap up near resistance there. So good price action today. The VIX is trading at 14. All right, so that's good. 14.58. All right, but good buying in the markets. All right, all the sectors are up except for real estate, utilities, and telecom. All right. But otherwise, great move in the equity markets. All right. Bitcoin held today. All right. Holding at 51,000. Buy signal, right, is still intact for Bitcoin. All right. So let's do this here. Uh, this is the daily time frame and also looks good. Bitcoin looks good on the weekly time frame here. All right. All right, let's take a look at current positions, guys. Current positions in Monster Scalper. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper. Long positions. All right, this is Forex now. Forex. All right, so long positions. We're trading these on the 240. And we'll start with the yen pairs. All right, yen pairs. All right, so SGD-JPY, guys. SGD-JPY, buy signal here, holding nicely here. All right, pound yen. Pound yen, buy signal here, right? Broke the second target right here. All right, so buy signal here. We all the way up here. All right, that's SGD-JPY. All right, Euro yen. Hey, Tyler, welcome. Euro yen, guys, buy signal here. Still holding. All right. Good price action. Holding here. Swiss yen. Swiss yen. Buy signal here. We were looking for Swiss yen to break through that resistance right here. Currently, it's just holding. All right. We've got good support and resistance here. This is high up in the markup phase. Okay. But we've got good consolidation. We need to break out there. Right, the dollar yen, USD JPY, buy signal here, right, trading right at resistance, right? We need that price action to break through. We've got higher lows right here, right? So we just need a break of resistance here, buy signal all the way down here, all right? So that's for about 200 pips there, all right? Great trade going there. HKD JPY, all right, buy signal here, holding right at resistance. We need price to break through here. All right, so great trades with the yen pairs. Aussie dollar, just holding, just hanging out here. Aussie dollar just hanging out near the buy signal here. All right, purpose support and resistance, but we got buyers. Buyers are coming in now. All right, Aussie CAD, same thing. Right? Similar price action, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Purpose support and resistance. Target here, first target right here. All right. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar is breaking through, guys. There was our buy signal here. First target. Well, no. Buy signal here. All right. Next target, first target is up here. Right about, I would say, let's bring that up here. We might get some consolidation in here, but target is right here. So NZD USD looks good. Now let's take a look at the shorts. Now we have we're shorting the dollar. All right, we had a pullback today, retracement, but we hope that the you know price action continues. Let's take a look at the dollar index. All right, dollar index moved up a bit here. All right, but currently it's down. All right, so let's take a look at those. All right, so short positions in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right, USD SEK sell short signal is here holding. I think we got it right about in here. All right, that's holding fine so far. USD CZK, right? Sell short signal here, a bit of a pullback. All right, good markup phase, guys. Really good markup phase. Let's draw these in. All right, hold on. All right. All right, so here's your markup phase, markdown phase. Make sure we've got our trend lines here. Target is down here. All right, USD SEK there. All right, we need that price to continue to come down. USD CZK, same thing here. Nice markup phase. That's your trend line here. A bit of a pullback, all right, but red candle still holding. We need sellers to continue to push that price lower, okay? Now, it doesn't happen quickly, guys, so just if you're short in this, just give them time. All right, dollar CAD, USD CAD. All right, did we add? Yeah, we added CAD. A bit of a pullback here. We've got support right here, so we need to break support right here. Okay, resistance here. So a bit of a pullback today. We had a white candle, but sellers are coming back in. You guys can see that here. White candle here. All right, that's the pullback. Sell short signal here. Sellers are coming back in. Right, we do need to break support here though. Okay. USD DKK. All right, let's do this. So we are looking for a move short in these dollar pairs. Those of you who took advantage of the we call some buy signals on the E-minis, our Monster US 30 traders, NAS 100, and S&P SP 500. Great trades today. Really good trades. All right. USD DKK sell short signal here, moving down nicely. All right. Remember, give them room. All right. USD SGD. So these are your dollar shorts, guys. All right. That pullback wasn't severe. Most of these still holding. Okay. Here we've got support. So first target is here. All right. Sell short signal here coming down. First target here. Second target all the way down here. If it can break through that first level of support there. All right. All right. USD SGD. USD NOK. All right. USD NOK. This one is choppy, a bit choppy there. All right. All right, sell short signal here. We've got white candles here. We need sellers to come back in, guys. Red candles to come in. If you get a green candle, if you're trading this, close the trade on a green candle or sell or buy to cover signal. Okay. Support, let's bring our target, first target here. Okay. Previous trade, look at that trade. Great short here. All right. USD HUF. All right. This one pullback, but still holding. There's your markup phase. Distribution marked down. This is where we've got supply. All right. So sellers are looking for supply there. All right. Sell short signal, pull back, red candles coming back down. Okay. Target is here. First target. All right. And hopefully we can get second target down here. All right. So we've got some shorts. Finally, we've got shorts. All right. So dollar short. If things change, right, we'll know. All right, monsters, Forex dominator, long positions. Forex dominator, long positions. All right, Forex dominator, long position. Look at the USI, guys. We had a sell signal to get out. Look at that, continuing to move lower. So make sure you guys get out on these sell signals, okay? EURTRY, all right, had a white candle. All right, white candle came in today. Buyers are back in. That was yesterday. I'm sorry. Yesterday, buyers are back in. USD TRY still holding. USD TRY, EUR TRY, USD TRY holding here. EUR CZK, all right, buy signal here. That's holding fine. All right. No support and resistance lines here. So just let it run. All right, dollar CAD. Be careful of these dollar pairs we've got in Forex dominator long. All right. All right. So USD CAD holding. Dollar Swiss, that's holding. USD CNH, that's holding. All right. Just waiting to see there what happens with the shorts. USD CZK. All right, that's holding the buy signal here right at resistance. We could short those dollar pairs, and that might not make a big difference on in Forex dominator. So you could short, turn around, and then you could see these dollar pairs go long again. So just stay with your trading window. All right, that's the idea. USD DKK. All right, buy signal here. That's holding. Keep an eye on this one. We've got lower lows here. All right. USD HUF. That's holding. All right, right at previous resistance is support, so it's holding there. But keep an eye on those. USD SGD right here. Did I mention that? CAD yen, yen pairs looking good, guys. Buy signal here. CAD yen breaking out. All right, good resistance here. So it's breaking out there. Pound yen. You guys know how pound yen's been doing. All right, hopefully you guys are on these yen trades. Okay, buy signal here. Pull back, hold in here, moving up nicely, broke resistance there. HKD JPY, all right, holding resistance here, nothing to do. All right. We do have sellers sitting here, but it is breaking resistance and should follow the overall move in the yen pairs. SGD JPY, that's breaking resistance there. Look at that, guys. Great trade there. Dollar yen. Dollar yen holding higher. Look at this, higher lows. All right, just waiting to break through. All right, breakthrough resistance there. Okay, ZAR yen. All right, ZAR yen. Keep an eye on ZAR yen, guys. It's back within the box. So it's back within support and resistance. Buy signal here. Here it is right here. We need buyers to come back in. These ZAR pairs have been tricky lately. All right, we've seen some moves in them, but they've been tricky. Pound Aussie, buy signal there, holding. All right, so trying to move higher. Each candle here, higher lows right here. No, it's hard to see. Right, we need to test resistance here and break out. Pound Swiss, all right, moving up nicely, slowly moving up here. Okay. All right. No shorts in Monster in Forex Dominator. Okay. No shorts in Forex Dominator. Let's take a quick look at the E-minis, and then we'll go right to equities. All right. So that I don't forget. All right. So Monster US 30, Monster US 30, we called a buy signal. No, we were waiting, right? We said, hey, wait. All right, to break through that resistance. Okay, so here we have resistance here, very choppy trading. All right, very choppy trading. So we wanted to get that price to break through that resistance. Needed confirmation that the buyers, right, would take over. So broke through this morning. All right, we waited for that pullback, and we went ahead, issued a buy signal right here, right in here. All right, price action right here. So buy signal was here, but boy, we needed for that price to break through that resistance here. Now it's cleared. You guys can see it's cleared that area there. All right, so we should see consolidation through the night, and hopefully, if the market is up tomorrow, we could get another move higher. Just keep in mind the daily time frame looks good. All right, so we've got good price action on the daily time frame here. Let's clean this up. Let's clean this up here. All right, so Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, all looks great. Okay, so let's just firm this up here. All right, good price action on the Nasdaq daily time frame. That's our foundational window there. All right, so US 30 finally we got a good trade going there. Okay, NAS 100, we called this one last night. We got a buy signal here. Here is your V buy signal. We called this last night during the class, right? And here's the trade right here. Good trade going here with the NAS. All right, E-mini. Buy signal was here. We got in about right here. Good trade here. Okay. And then the last one, the S&P. All right. So the SP 500, same thing. All right. Let's move this trend line here. All right. So buy signal was here. I think we called it right about here. And good markdown phase, good support, good resistance. Broke it convincingly. The resistance here moving up nicely. Guys, this is a big trade. All right. On the daily time frame, here's your daily time frame right here. So really good price action. Buy signal here. Look at that. All right. Every single day, guys, it's holding there. Right. Some pullback like here on the smaller time frame, 60-minute, but daily has really held up great. Okay. All right. Equities. So good job, our e-mini traders. So stocks had a good day. So let's go through. So we'll go through Stock Boss and Bull Master. Make sure that these are holding. Okay. First trade note, NOTE. Note that's holding there. AMRN. All right, that's holding. Buy signal here, holding fine. Purple support and resistance, though, guys. So keep an eye on that. All right, we've got purple support and resistance near this area here where sellers came in. So just keep an eye on this here. With an up day like this, right? You should expect these trades to move up. If they're not moving up on a big day like this, pay attention to those. That might be a sign that they're slowing. NXTX, that's holding right here. Buy signal all the way down here, right? That's holding. Again, purple support and resistance here. All right, so it's getting some resistance here. Green candles. If we get a white candle here, guys, might just want to take profits. Okay. I mean, it came from was that 194, 198 to $9.50. So white candle in here, just take profits. Okay. All right. RNA, right? Good price action, good markdown phase. That's holding solid there. All right. That's holding. LESL, white candle there, guys. Keep an eye on that one. All right. ATAI, that's holding. FULC, good price action, good move. This one here is heading to its second, is that second resistance? All right, so first resistance level here, broke through. Second resistance, heading towards third resistance here. Buy signal on this was 458. All right, if we can get to this area here, guys, that's $12. $12 and change. Good trade going here. This is exactly what we want to see. What a beautiful trade here. All right, and it's filling in that gap really well. All right, filling that gap really well here. Target is here. All right, and then we might as well bring in the next target. No guarantees it will make it to this target, but all right, moving up nicely. Good price action. Look at this. Nice, big, solid candles. Good buying. Okay. All right, this is holding. Holding. All right, nice move up. At MGNGM. All right. LXRX. All right. Guys, look at this one here. All right. It made it all the way to its target, but look, it didn't hold. Right. We need this to hold. When they pull back like that, that's a concern. Okay. Buy signal was at 151 and it pulled back quite a bit. No white candles. So it didn't give us any warning. All right. All green candles. Right. And it's sitting right here. This is where sellers came in heavy right here, right here. This is where the buy signals closed. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. So guess what? Good chance sellers could come in here heavy, just close the trade, take profits. Okay. LXRX. I know it's green candles here, but boy, all right, look at that. They're really rejecting this area here. And this is where sellers came in heavy before. So close the trade. All right. LXRX. All right. And that's it for Stock Boss. Take a look at Bullmaster. We'll take a look. We'll run Stock Boss and Bullmaster um, Heat Seeker to see how Heat Seeker is performing. All right, CLS. All right, good move today, guys. Look at this. Buy signal here, gapped up, big candle today. All right, buy signal was at 30 to 35, trading at 41.77. Good trade going there. All right, CAMT closed today. All right, buy signal was here at 65, closed today. All right, white candle, sell signal, broke support right here, closed at 75. Okay, so close the trade. CAMT, close the trade, please. All right, this is holding. Holding. All right, S finally closed. Look at S. Finally closed. Not a bad trade. Buy signal was right at $18. All right. Broke support right here. Gap down. Guys, nothing you can do about this. Right. It gap down at the open. All right. And when they're doing this on an up day like this, the market gapped up big this morning. So when they're gapping down, all right, right, buyers longs are done. They're done with it. So gap down, red candle, sell signal. All right. So buy signal was at right at $18. Let's call it 18. Close today at 25.40. Just take the profits. Okay. All right. And be done. All right. So S, close the trade, please. All right, ARHS, that's holding buy signal here, looking to break through a nice resistance. If this one breaks through resistance, guys, we could see it really, really go. All right, so this is where sellers came in before, right here, gap down here. So, boy, if it can break through that resistance and it closed right at resistance, um, we could see it move higher there. All right, ARHS. ARHS. This is holding. All right. HUBS. All right. You know, I mentioned yesterday, when was it? Yesterday or day before, that, we saw some of the stocks close. That's always a sign. And when the market is, we really have to pay attention to the internals of the markets. All right, and how the stocks, even with forex and futures, right, especially equities, when we have a big update like this and the stocks are closing, that says a lot. Okay, notice we're not adding any stocks, right? We'll take a look at heat seeker, but we're not too excited about adding stocks. All right, we could see this market get slammed. I'm not saying that it will, but it could. All right. So HUBS buy signal was at 500. All right. Broke support here. All right. Sell signal at 578. So close the trade, please. HUBS. That's not a good sign on a big update that their stocks are closing. All right. This is holding. Holding and holding here. All right, so this is how many stocks we have. You guys, we've been adding since October, right? For that Christmas rally. And then we've been trimming ever since. We've added a few here and there, but this is it in Bull Master right now. I'm curious to see what comes in Hit Seeker. All right, that will tell us a lot. So just because we've got a big update doesn't guarantee that they're buying stocks. The big institutions, hedge funds, that is. Okay. All right, so let's go. All right, so stock boss, let's run it here. Looks like we've got a few here. All right, 52. We'll go through this quickly. Bull Master, let's see how many we've got. All right, 101. All right, we'll go through this quickly. Right. All right, we'll add this one. All right, good markdown phase. Look at this, guys. Really good markdown phase. This one fell from about $20. Look at this. All right, buy signal here. All right, pull back, but now guess what? Breaking resistance, big candle today, 799. So we'll add this one here. CDMO in Stock Boss. Okay. All right, it's got to be really good. It's got to look good to add them. All right. We had all-time highs in this market. That doesn't mean it can't go in any higher. Sellers could come in. We'll see it. We'll add DNR MR. Look at this. Good markdown phase. All right. Fell from about, what's that, 456. Trading at $1. Good buy signal here. Okay. So DNMR. That's in Stock Boss. So we do have a few in Heat Seeker here. I'll get you guys out on time. All right, look at this markdown phase, EBS. All right, this one fell, guys, from $35. Look at this to $2.80. Really good markdown phase. That's what we want. Right? We want someone else to take those losses. All right. And we'll buy here. Big candle came in today. Look at that. So they jumped in today convincingly. Buy signal here. So EBS Stock Boss. All right. I wouldn't go heavy on these. These are bio. Some of these are biotech too. All right. That's note. We're in that one. We need this to be perfect. No buy signal here. That would have been a good one. No buy signal yet. Not ready. All right. All right. Nothing here. All right. So we've got 3 in Stock Boss. Let's take a look at Bull Master. We'll go through it quickly here. At 100 symbols in Bull Master. Let's go. In Bull Master, you might find more reaccumulation trades. This must be a new IPO there. All right. All right. We'll look for a few more and we'll be done, guys. All right. Doesn't look like we have anything in Bullmaster. I'll run these offline, but we've gone through about half. Nothing exciting. Yeah. I'll run the rest offline. Okay. Um, and I'll let you guys know if we have anything. I want to go through these. The metals, the dollar. I want to start going through these in the evenings. All right. So the dollar here, the dollar in monster dollar holding its buy signal here. Okay. So it's just holding that buy signal here. Um, I would just wait. Now, if it can get past this resistance here, that might be an opportunity there to buy. The metals. All right. So gold, nothing here, guys, with gold. Okay. Nothing. Look at this. This is on the weekly time frame. Absolutely nothing there. Okay. That doesn't mean they won't, can't start moving. Same thing with platinum. All right. Nothing here. Look at this consolidation here. Silver, same thing here. And then copper. Okay. Nothing here. All right. Energies. All right. So crude oil. Crude oil, we could see a buy signal soon in crude oil. Okay, guys. So a break above, right, this resistance right here should give us a buy signal. So we'll keep an eye on crude oil. All right. Look at the previous run in crude oil. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on crude oil. Heating gas. All right, short. So heating gas. Let's see here. I'm sorry, natural gas. Natural gas. This short here, we talked about this, that this was really low in the markdown phase. So we didn't call this short here. So now it is pulling back here. So be careful of the short there. And then we've got heating oil here, heating oil here. All right, we got a buy signal here, and it's holding. Right, we didn't call this, but again, just like crude oil, if we can move higher here, we'll get in. Now, in Monster Futures, we do have a buy signal on crude. Okay, in Monster Futures. Um, and then the Dow, we know what's going on with the Dow. All right, on the daily Nasdaq. Right, right, good markup phase. S&P, right? We've got that long in the S&P in Monster Futures. Russell, no buy signal. The Nikkei, all right, Nikkei, great long here in the Nikkei. Buy signal here, great trade there. All right. And the FTSE, all right, the FTSE gave a buy signal here. All right. So we'll add that. So that's VGK, that's the FTSE. That's a buy signal. Look at this perfect buy signal right here, guys. Broke resistance, gapped up, buy signal came in here on the FTSE. And look at the weekly time frame here. Look at that, guys. Breaking resistance here on the weekly. Buy signal here, breaking out weekly, daily. All right. So FTSE, great trade there. All right. And let's see else. What do we have? Bonds. We're going to be really spending time with bonds, guys, looking at bonds. Okay. So the 2 year, all right. 5-year, 10-year, 30-year. So let's look at shorts. So the 2-year, right? Great short going here on the 2-year, guys. All right. Look at the weekly time frame. That's clearly a markdown phase. All right. So a pullback here. Great previous short is on the daily time frame. Look at that short bonds right here. The 2-year. And here we are. Good short here. If it breaks through that support here, all right, it could go much lower. That's the 2-year. All right, 5-year, good short going here on the 5-year. All right, sell short signal here. Good short going here on the 5-year. All right, 10-year, right here. And then the 30-year. All right, here's the 30-year right there. All right, so great shorts going in the bonds. All right, guys. You should have all your longs ready to go. Right, in the yen pairs, should be solid in the yen pairs in Monster Scalper, long and solid in the shorts, okay, and also the E-minis. All right, guys, I will see everyone, our traders, at the beginning, the roundtable tomorrow, and then our beginning traders, all right, for our beginning traders webinar on Saturday. All right, guys, take care. All right, have a good evening. Bye-bye.